Mitch again, and for today, we will be making gingerbread house, okay? So magandang bonding to with your kids sa Christmas, of course. So for the ingredients, we have here the butter. Yan, we have granulated white sugar, and then the molasses, nutmeg, ginger, cinnamon, baking soda, and salt. Of course, the all-purpose flour, okay? Here is for the decoration. We have powdered sugar, egg whites, then optional to, the vanilla extract and yung tylose, okay? So, let's start with the cookie dough. So, let's cream the butter first. Hindi kailangan ng mixer ha. If you have wooden spoon, pwedeng-pwede si wooden spoon. Okay. So, cream the butter and the sugar first. Make sure your butter is at room temp para mas mabilis siya i-cream. Ayan. Then, the sugar. Cream this one for around 3 minutes. While kine-cream natin yan, let's mix the dry ingredient. We have salt, yung soda natin, the nutmeg, the ginger, and of course, the cinnamon. For this recipe, makakagawa kayo ng dalawang house. Then, let's mix in the molasses. And then, dahan-dahan, lagyan na natin or i-add na natin yung flour mixture. Yan. Very Pasko yung amoy. Check the dough. Yan. Don't worry, ganyan talaga yung consistency niya. Okay? Then, pwede na natin i-off and then transfer natin sa bowl. And then, after that, gawin natin or form natin into ball. Check if na-mix ng maayos yung molasses sa ilalim. Kailangan ganito yung consistency niya, ha? Para magamit nyo agad. After mo magawang ball, pwede nyo na i-roll out. Or, if bukas nyo pa gagamitin, pwede nyo siya i-cling wrap. My technique, lagay ka ng another baking paper on top para hindi siya madikit sa rolling pin while niro-roll mo. Notice this one ha, when I roll, hindi ko siya hinuhulog yung rolling pin ko sa end, okay? Para at least alam mo kung pantay yung kapal niya. Kasi the moment na ihulog mo siya, may tendency na yung last part o yung dulo na part will be very manipis na. And then, ikot mo. Yan. So again, you can put baking paper on top. And then, we can cut na our cookies. For the cutting of the gingerbread house, marami na sa baking store or sa online yung mga ganito. If wala, you can always print yung mga pattern na kung anong gusto mong design ng house. Okay? So, no need to buy the cutter talaga. But of course, para mas mabilis yung video natin, then gagamitan ko to ng cutter. And then, kasya pa to sa isang. For this one, para sa side, puro na dough yung aking kuko. While nandito, lagyan na natin ng bintana, tsaka ng, syempre, pintuan. So, yung lalagyan mo nito, yung isang side lang. Okay? Yan. For decoration. And then, for the dingding, let's put bintana. Ayan. Kung ayaw yung magbintana, okay naman. And then, remove natin yung excess. Tapos, i-roll out natin agad. Remove natin to. And then, we can bake this one for around 15 minutes lang, ha. Tapos, cut natin again yung kulang. And then, set aside muna natin. Tapusin natin yung iba. So, let's bake. Okay? Mga 10 to 15 minutes. Kailangan 300, 350. Okay? 10 to 15 minutes. While binibake natin si cookies, gawin na natin yung pang-decoration, yung royal icing. So, mix mo lang si egg white. Mix all ingredients lang. Si tylose actually, since gagawin natin yung royal icing na pandikit sa house, then mas maganda if may tylose. But if you cannot find one, okay lang din. Okay? Si vanilla extract para at least mawala yung langsa ni egg white. And then our confectioner or powdered sugar. Mix lang natin until smooth. While minimix natin yan, ready na natin yung color. So, I have here gel color, my green and yellow. Yan. Lagyan na natin here. And then, I also have the yellow color. Si yellow, konting yellow lang yan. And then, ito yung gagamitin natin pang color sa royal icing. And then, I have here different kinds of sprinkles para syempre pang decoration. So, it's up to you kung anong sprinkles ang gusto mo. I have here candy cane, yung Christmas balls, Christmas tree, star, and snowflakes. Go. Let's check. Our royal icing is perfect already. Okay? So, pwede na to. So, if you want na mas watery si royal icing, you can add more egg whites. But if you want pandikit, and then you want parang pang decoration lang or pang piping lang, then gantong consistency, pwedeng-pwede na. Then, you mix it. Then, here's my green color. If you think this is too sticky, you can add konting water or konting milk kasi baka mahirapan yung kids nyo. But not too much ha, kasi matagal din magdikit. Or, you can add more egg white. Get ready with your piping bag. No need ng tip, okay? Hindi na kailangan mag-tip. Yung pinaka-last na piping bag is for your white icing. Sa tubangan. Okay, guys. Bake na si cookies. And then, assemble na natin. Okay? Yan. So, let's start with, hindi ko tuloy alam kung saan ako mag-start. Yan. Start tayo sa back part. Okay? If may mga ganto, yan, clean mo lang. Yan. Yan. So, kailangan malinis. For the icing, medyo may malambot ako here. Tapos, ito. Ito, medyo sticky konti. So, ito yung gagawin kong pandikit. So, cut mo lang. Yan. Don't worry kung medyo messy yung pinagdugtungan because later we will be putting something para hindi yan mahalata. Okay? Yung kagandahan ng royal icing is mabilis siya tumigas. icing. Tapos, dahan-dahan. Let your kids help. Don't worry about the edges. If you're done, seal it para hindi gumalaw yung bahay. Yan. Tapos, patigasin muna natin. So, wag niyo muna ilagay si roof or the atip. Patigasin muna natin for around mga 5 minutes. But, you can start decorating the side. Okay? So, start tayo niyan mag-decorate. So, I have here the green. Yan, unahin natin si green. Kasi syempre, 'di ba, mas maganda mas colorful mag-decorate si kids. Yan. And then, you put that, tapos pwede nyo nalagyan ito. Why? Because mabilis magtigas. So, kailangan while malambot pa siya, decorate nyo na. Decorate natin yung side. Okay? By the way, guys, baka makalimutan nyo, mabilis magtigas si royal icing, di ba? So, if you are not using it, like ganyan, tingnan nyo, matigas na siya. So, get damp cloth or basahan na malinis, tapos, doon nyo siya i-insert. I have small Christmas tree. Yan. Okay. So, there you go. Our gingerbread house. Again, for the recipes, guys, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.
Merry Christmas, everyone!